Hindi ko nga alam eh. Gusto ko nga maging businessman. Kaso hindi ko alam kung ano saan mag-build sana. Ikaw ba?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Gusto ko sana maging tourism kaso hindi ko alam kung ano strand ang mag-build sa akin. What strand?
Uy, tignan mo yun eh.
Have you decided on which strand you will take on your life?
If not, this video is for you.
Stay tuned as we introduce to you the Accountancy, Business and Management. Choose ABM.
Choose ABM. Choose ABM. Choose ABM. Choose ABM. Choose ABM. Choose ABM.
ABM stands for Accountancy, Business and Management strand. It is under academic track. It focuses on the basic concept of business management, financial management, corporate management and operations, human resource management, entrepreneurship, and information technology, making it an ideal ABM strand for those interested in these fields.
Ayun, parang sa ABM ako ah.
Mukha nga, pero paano naman ako? Anong strand ako? At ano naman may tutulong ng ABM sa'yo?
Accountancy, Business and Management strand emphasizes the development of critical thinking, analytical skills, leadership, presentation skills, and effective business communication skills.
In Accountancy, Business and Management strand, you can be
Flight attendant, advertising professional, accountant, sales representative, marketing director,
Economics.
corporate managers.
business owner. Flight attendant ang pangarap ko, so mag-ABM din ako?
Oo, mag-ABM ka.
Talagang ABM? Hindi ako masyadong marunong sa math. Takot ako sa numbers and computation.
While being good at math is beneficial in ABM, it is not a requirement. The strand features basic mathematics, statistics, and accounting classes which can help you to learn more about numbers as you progress to senior high school.
Yun naman pala sabi sa'yo eh.
Kung mag-ABM man ako, ano ang advantage nito sa akin?
The Accountancy, Business and Management equips senior high school students with the necessary skills and knowledge from the converging subject matter of accounting, business and management to maximize their business mindedness and set them up to success.
Builds up the confidence of senior high school students when communicating their ideas, allowing them to have more faith in their concepts and ingenuity during their projects in their ABM courses.
Choosing ABM as your strand lets you gain a solid understanding and familiarity with different key business management concepts that can be applied to diverse industries. Plus, it can help you make decisions not only in your personal life but also in your professional pursuits.
This rank refers to students who wish to pursue a career in different fields, including accounting, business finance, and human resources.
In the ABM strand, you can gain practical and real-world experience through work immersion programs. A number of schools offer such programs in order for students to apply their knowledge and skills in the business setting.
The advantage of the ABM strand is that it prepares students for global competitiveness, providing you with a strong foundation in business management, principles that are relevant across diverse cultures.
During your ABM strand journey, you'll be able to develop your financial literacy, which is essential for your personal financial management and business success.